Hey guys, Miss Moss, and I am going to give you an overview of what we're going to be doing for week 5. Changed my background because I'm ready to go to the beach. Wish it would get warm. This week, week 5, first of all, tonight by 11:55, you have to submit your first capstone project, which is Word. And remember, it's a combination of Module 1, Module 2, and Module 3, all together in one project. There is no step-by-step video for that. This is something that shows me you kind of know what you're doing when it comes to being able to complete those projects. But this week, we are starting Excel. And Excel is going to be your hardest modules. Excel is a spreadsheet. It is what you're going to, if you're in the business end of business, any kind of business, you're going to be using Excel. It's a spreadsheet. People use it to budget. They use it to keep stats. They use it to do projections and charts and everything like that. So you going to use Excel. This is baby Excel. Once you do it, I know there's now a hands-on course that is being taught on campus that's analytics and statistics, and you use Excel, so you get into it more. Excel is, oops, I don't know what happened to my camera, but I'm going to finish talking. But anyway, you're going to have your Excel modules 1, module 2, and module 3. They will be due on Sunday at 11:55. That's just your training. Now, remember, I had several of you last week that said it wouldn't give me a grade. You have to complete while I'm back, every task in order for it to give you a grade. So you want to make sure that you are complete. If you don't have a grade and you say, well, I did this, if you'll go back and open it up, you'll see you may have skipped, thought you submitted one of the tasks and you did not. Now, after this week, next week, we're going to start the projects, and they can get really tricky. Watch your videos. If you get stuck, we can do a Zoom meeting and I can share my screen and walk you through it. If you feel like that you've got to have somebody to help you, I can arrange to come to campus. I'm not but 10 minutes from campus. I can come to campus and meet you in the library and sit down and help you. I do that most every quarter. I teach this because I'll have one or two that it just hasn't clicked. And then once you see what you're doing, it's like, oh yeah, I know how to do this formula. So, but you got to do the training first. Once you've done the training and you watch those videos of the projects, you should be able to just zip right through it. So, again, tonight, make sure that you submit your Word capstone. You have 5 attempts to get 100 on it. So don't be satisfied with your first grade. If you make a 60, don't just say, oh, well, I blew it. No, go in there, pull it up, and redo it. So have a great week and let me know if you have any questions. Thanks a lot.